how to set custom ringtones for contacts on Galaxy S24 personalizing calls. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into your app screen, and in here tap on contacts. Next, go down the list and tap on the contact that you want to customize the ringtone. So here I'm going to tap on incoming call. Next, go down and tap on more, then tap on change ringtone or vibration, and then tap on ringtone. From here, go down the list and select a ringtone for this particular contact. And that's it. So once you have selected a ringtone for this contact, from now on they will, when they call you, you will have that specific ringtone sound coming from that contact. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.